Look at the screen. Have you ever wondered why subsets are always expressed in terms of powers of 2? For example, let's say set A. For example, let's say set A is having two elements, A and B. So, what are the subsets? One is an empty set, another is A, another is B, another is AB. So, there are four subsets. But today we are not going to solve a problem to know how many subsets are there. We want to know or understand why are they always expressed in powers of 2. When you understand this why, you will realize subsets are not a list but they are decisions. For example, you take element A. Now this element A we take, it has two possibilities. What are the possibilities? One is it can be a part of the subset, that is, it is present in the subset, or absent from the subset. We are not choosing another element in its place, we are deciding whether it appears or not. For example, if we have three elements in a set, for example, you have three elements like A, B, C, and the subset BC simply means that we said no to A and said yes to B and C. So now we very well understood that each element has two choices. So yes or no. For example, for this same ABC, this set, how many subset will be there? A will have two possibilities, B will have two possibilities, and C also has two possibilities. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 2 power 3, which is equal to number of elements, which is equals 8. So now, as a general rule, if a set has n elements, then that each element contributes to two choices, and therefore the total subsets are 2 to the power n. Now we can even think like a computer. It will make you more, it will connect you to the real world experience. So, like think like a computer, no? Binary visual, we'll call it as a binary visual. We'll say 1 means present, 0 means absent. Let's take a set A, for example, having two elements A, B. So we represent empty set as 0, 0, and for example, that 0, 1 is representing B, and 1, 0 is representing A, and 1, 1 is representing AB. So now you have understood, no? They can be or they are in a sense binary patterns. Therefore, today we need to understand why a set with n elements has a 2 to the power n subsets. This is because every element gives one yes or no decisions. So subsets are choices, and math is mostly translation, and that what it does is translating words into meaning. In the next video, we will take a long English sentence and turn it into a single mathematical statement. And if this idea made sense to you, watch that one immediately. That's where mathematics actually begins. And if you are like this way of learning mathematics, you may want to stay around. So subscribe to it, like the video, and share it with your friends. And thanks a lot for watching.